Welcome children to our YouTube channel. Today we solve some math problem. Here given 1695 multiplied by 678 minus 695 multiplied by 678. Now we solve this problem. Here 678 is common in both terms. Therefore 678 now in bracket 1695 minus 695 is equal to 678 1695 minus 695 is a 1000 is equal to 678 multiplied by 1000 is equal to, our answer is a 6,78,000. Here we taking the common 678 from both term. Here we using the property, distributive property over the subtraction. Now we solve another problem. Here 8964 multiplied by 1 plus 99 multiplied by 8964. Now in this both term, the common number is 8964. Therefore, we are taking the common 8964 from the both term. Therefore, remaining 1 plus 99 is equal to 8964 in the bracket 1 plus 99 is 100 is equal to 8964 multiplied by 100 is equal to 896400 is our answer. Here we using the distributive property over the addition. Now we solve the third problem. Here the common number is 2314 and 2314 in both terms. Therefore, now we taking the common 2314 in bracket 9 plus 191 is equal to 2314 in the bracket 191 plus 9 is a 200 is equal to 462800 is our answer. Now we solve the another problem. In this sum 199 is common in both terms. Therefore 199 is taking common. Remaining is 102 minus 2 in the bracket is equal to 199. 102 minus 2 is 100 is equal to 190000 is our answer. Thank you children.